Hello everyone. So here we start the practical number 14, and the title of this practical number 14 is Program to Clip Polygon using Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. Here we include the basic our header files, that is the include iostream.h, console input output and graphics.h. Then after that we define the round of a and the integer variable. We declare our integer variable. Okay, data type is integer and the variable is a plus 0.5. Okay, then after we declare the k, that is the global variable. Okay, and after that we declare the floating data by using the floating data type. Here we declare the x min, y min, x max, y max, and the array of 20. Okay, here the use array, the size of the array is 20. Okay, then here the m for the sloping, to calculate the sloping of our line. Then this is the wide clip left. Wide clip left means in our polygon, if the rectangle, then there have four sides. Okay, the left, right, top and bottom. If we enter the polygon, if we enter the polygon and we clip that polygon, okay, by using the Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm, then we check that the left hand side window, then check the right hand side, top side and the bottom side. Okay, here we use the function for the clip the left hand side window. Okay, then this is the initial here the pass the argument. Okay, the 4 argument pass, and the data type is floating. First is the x1 y1, then x2 y2. Then the condition is checked, that is the x2 minus x1. Then we calculate the slope, that is the m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, else m is equal to this number. Okay, so here is the condition, that is the x1 is greater than is equal to x min, and x2 is equal to x2 is greater than is equal to x min. There are both the x1 and x2 are the greater than x min. Then the first point is the outside the clipping window. First point of the polygon is outside the clipping window, and second point is the inside the clipping window. If this condition, then here we put the numbers, that is the array of k, that is using the global variable. Array of k is equal to x2. There are the 4 conditions, that is we check for the inside to outside, outside to inside, inside to inside, and outside to outside. These 4 conditions we have to check in the Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. And this condition, that is here the polygon we check for the outside to inside, and for outside to inside the one value is saved, that is the here only the x minimum is saved. Okay, the first value x1 is greater than is equal to x min, then this point is the completely outside of the clipping window. Then array of k is equal to x2, and array of k plus 1 is equal to y2. This is the x2 and the y2. Okay, the first value is saved, and second point we have the intersection point calculated, that is the k plus 1, k plus is equal to 2. This is the here we increment k by 2. Okay, then check the condition, that is x1 is less than x minimum and x2 is greater than is equal to x minimum. That is the first point is less than the x minimum, means the first point is the less than the x minimum, means first point is the outside the clipping window, and the second point is greater than the x min, means second point is the inside the clipping window. For this condition, here for the first condition x1 is greater than x min, means x1 is inside the clipping window and x2 is outside of the clipping window. Okay, and this condition x1 is less than x min, means x1 is less than means x1 is outside of the clipping window and x2 is inside of the clipping window. For this condition we have to put these values. Okay, we calculate the area of k is equal to x mean. We have to save the area of k value is equal to x mean. Then area of k plus 1 is equal to, we have to calculate the intersection point, that is the y1 plus m into x mean minus x1. Okay, and the k plus 2 is equal to x2, k plus 3 is equal to y2, and we have to increment the k for the 4 times, that is the area of k is equal to x mean, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Here we only increment the 2 times, that is the area of k and area of k plus 1. Here for the 4 times, that is the k plus 1, k plus 2 and k plus 3. Okay, then after that check the condition, that is the x1 is greater than x mean and x2 is less than x mean. For this condition we calculate this area of k is equal to x mean and area of k plus 1 is equal to calculating this intersection point. Okay, then the same code is used for the top side. Okay, then again for top side, then right and the bottom. Okay, and here the bottom side. Okay, so this the same code is used for the left hand side, right, top and bottom. Okay, for which check check that the polygon, which side of the polygon clipping, okay, that the 4 sides, that is left, right, top and bottom. Okay, then again here we use the wide main, that is the main function, that is the int gd driver is equal to detector graphics mode n and poly of 20. Okay, then here we declare the some variables, that is the xi, yi, xf, yf and poly of 20. Then clear screen, then cout, that is the print the coordinate, that is the coordinate of the rectangular clip window, that is we enter the coordinates, that is x mean and y mean, then enter the coordinate like x max and y max. Okay, and that after that we enter the number of the sides which are clipped. Okay, polygon to be clipped. Then after that so here is the by using integer data type graphics driver and graphics mode is initialized, and after that by using cout function, the coordinate of the rectangular clip windows display the message, that is x mean and y mean. Okay, and after that this cout function is used for display the message polygon to be clipped and number of the sides. Then here the use the for loop, that is the integer I is equal to 0, I is less than 2 into n and the I plus plus. So here the use 2 into n, the 2 into n because of there are the condition is I is equal to 0, I is less than 2 into n. N means number of the sides of the polygon. So here we 2 because of there is 2 coordinates. Okay, x1 y1, there is x2 y2, x3 y3 and x4 y4. Okay, because of that here we use this condition, that is 2 into n. Then the poly of I means we save the poly of 0, means 0 array is saved to the poly of I. Then poly y of 1 is saved to the poly I plus 1, and then after that we use the for loop, that is the I is equal to 0, I is less than 2 into n plus 2 and I plus plus. Okay, and the round of poly means if there is floating point number, by using round it display the whole number. Then after that init graph is used for the initialize the graphics mode and graphics driver, and we put here the path. Then after that here by using cout function we display the clip the polygon and the set color is white. By using set color white, the polygon, flip the polygon, color is white. Okay. Then by using fill poly function, the polygon is filling in a white color. Then here the use k is equal to 0, and then again we use the for loop. This condition is same as here we put this here. Okay, that is the I is equal to 0, I is less than k, 2 into n, and I plus is equal to 2. Okay, then this condition is same as the here, that is the for this condition I is equal to 0, I is less than 2 into n, I plus 2. We incremented by 2. Okay, the in basically we increment the for loop by 1. Here we incremented I is equal to 2. Then flip of left, that is left polygon we flip. Then there is a 4 sides, that is the I plus 1, I plus 2, and I plus 3 sides is flip. Okay, then n is equal to k by 2. That is, if there is a 4, there is a 4 side, then the flip n is equal to 2. If there is a 2 side, then flip is equal to n is equal to 1. Okay, then for is equal, here we use the for loop, that is I is equal to 0, I is less than k, and I plus the, and this equation is same. Okay, that is we array of I is put into the poly of I, then poly of 0 is equal to put into the poly of I, poly y of I, and poly y of I plus 1, we put the poly of 1 into poly of I plus 1. Okay, this condition is same for the left, right, top, then right. Okay, here right, and the bottom. Okay, then after that we send it a message, that is the clip the polygon, and we display the clipping polygon. Okay, this is the output of our program. That is here the coordinate of the rectangular flip window, that is 2 coordinates, 200 and 200, and 400 400. Then polygon to be clipped, the number of sides is 4. There are 4 sides, number of the polygon is side is 4. Okay, then enter the coordinate. There is a 4 side, because of the 4 side we enter the coordinates 8 times. Okay, because we use the condition 2 into n. Then here this is the unflip the polygon image, and this is the flip the polygon. Okay, if any doubt in this, please contact me. Thank you so much.